Hello class, happy Labor Day. I know we are not meeting today, but we are meeting online. So it's my hope that you will log in beginning at the beginning of the day on Monday, and it'll be available all week, week 2, chapter 2 folder. Please be aware of when you go into Blackboard that you click on course content, click here for weekly assignments, and click on the chapter 2, week 2, September 3rd through the 10th folder. When you have that folder open, as I have it now, please follow along. You will find the Chapter 2 lecture PowerPoint, which reiterates what the chapter is all about, as well as watch Module Number 2, Buy It, Managing Supply Chain from the ASU WPCM SCM program. It's a very short video that tells you all about the buying and how buying affects the supply chain. As you go on down, after you read the chapter in the book, as well as watch Module 2 video, please log on to Week 2 discussion board and please answer the form for that question for that week. Be sure to do the 2 paragraphs requirement of your answer and then go in and comment at least 1 paragraph length of the other student's submission. You can pick 1 student to reply to. That furthers this conversation and does not include things like, oh, good job, great. You can include that, but that's not a response. So be sure that you are furthering the subject, contributing. Now, the second part, and that I hope you guys will do, is last week when we met in class, I wanted you all to think of a topic about supply chain management, because we're going to write a 3-page academic paper later on in the semester. So be sure that you all select your topic, go on to Google, put supply chain management topics, and you can send it to me through my email, rachel.parson@uacch.edu. And I will need that by today if at all possible. Like I had said last week, please follow your course schedule. Now, this link is the thesis statement for your research project. So what you're going to do is get a blank Word document, and you're going to write 1 sentence about what your paper is going to be about regarding the subject that you've chosen. And you will upload that onto Blackboard. This is an ungraded project, but I'll still be looking at it and I still need it. After doing that, you need to go down to Chapter 2 discussion questions, and those Chapter 2 discussion questions will contain the questions from your textbook. And those discussion questions for Chapter 2 will be on pages 69. You will type up your answers only, on a Word document and upload it for grading. And the Chapter 2 quiz will be open, and you will have 2 attempts, and it's your highest grade recorded. So those are your assignments for Chapter 2. The main thing I want you to be sure you're doing, that you also go back to Chapter 1 and finish all the Chapter 1 assignments by 11:59 on September 3rd. Chapter 2 is due by 11:59 September the 10th. And please remember, if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me. If you notice on the screen, it shows availability is not being shown to students. It's because at the time of this recording, the folders have not opened. But by the time you watch this video, and you will be watching this video on Monday, every test or every quiz, every link should be open and working. So again, if you need any help, please let me know. Refer to the Intro to Supply Chain course schedule if you need to go back and look at due dates, just to make sure you all guys are on the right track, and I know that you will be. So as I talked about the very first week that we met, I try to have everything laid out simply for you so that you can understand it and not have any problems. So that's kind of the navigation part that I want you guys to be aware of. And so let's talk a little bit about what Chapter 2 is about. Chapter 2 is all about purchasing management. So I'm going to switch over and